Hello, welcome our Gear Research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best lens filter brands that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1, Amazon Basics UV Protection Camera Lens Filter. An array of modern features makes this Amazon Basics filter the perfect filter for digital camera protection and any budget-friendly beginner or expert-level photography project. As the name implies, it's a top-rated ultraviolet filter at a low price, built to cover all the basics to reduce UV contamination in images while shielding your lens from wear and tear. Designed to reduce ultraviolet light with 7 layers of an anti-reflecting multi-coating, you'll avoid even the most subtle UV contamination that can cause blue hues, haziness, glares, and overall picture degradation. And because the polarizer prevents color tinting, you'll avoid while also enjoying superior front element protection against scratches, dirt, and dust in tougher climates. It's also lightweight and waterproof for protection from rain, bodies of water, or spills from bottles, so you can take it anywhere from the beach to the rainforest. This Amazon Basics filter has a tough aluminum construction that promotes lasting durability, so you can depend on it for years to come, and is available in an abundance of sizes and a solid thread range for any needs related to protection filters. A 1-year limited warranty means you can purchase this filter confidently, while Amazon's signature packing means the product will be encased to stay firmly in place during shipment. And at less than $25 for the smallest size, it's perfect for those with limited funds who don't want to compromise quality and performance, though some users believe it made their photos blurry. Number 2, Bplus W58mm UV Protection Filter 010 for camera lens. This Bplus W UV filter is easily one of the most popular available, complete with all the features you need for camera protection and professional-grade photo quality. Its multi-coated design absorbs UV rays to prevent a bluish cast, blurs, glare, and haziness, while its MRC coating prevents violet, red, deep red, and blue tints from UV light that can create distortion, reflections, and ghosting not visible to the naked eye. And you can say goodbye to damage concerns thanks to its built-in resistance to dirt, fingerprints, and scratches that can affect your fragile front lens element. And even better, it's moisture-resistant, so you can safely take photos around water. Its tough brass frame promotes lasting use, though some users prefer aluminum frames. And because it has a matte black coating, you won't experience any reflections. Precisely built for a tight fit across a wide range of available sizes, this filter reduces vignetting and is easy to install on almost any Nikon, Canon, Samsung, and Fuji digital cameras, helping you spend less time editing, cropping, and screwing it on. Its lightweight design makes portability across different locations a breeze, so you can effortlessly pack it up and go. For enhanced color-neutral images with unrivaled crispness and clarity, choose this Bplus UV protection filter to protect your prized digital cameras. Spend less time editing, cropping, and screwing it on. Its lightweight design makes portability across different locations a breeze, so you can effortlessly pack it up and go. For enhanced color-neutral images with unrivaled crispness and clarity, choose this Bplus UV protection filter to protect your prized digital cameras. Number 3, Hoya 77mm HMC UV-C Digital Slim Frame Multi-Coated Glass Filter. The Hoya UV filter is another filter I have used and love. It has exceptional quality and feels like a more expensive filter than it actually is. This filter is low profile, and I hardly notice it at the end of my lens. Although slightly more expensive, it's another worthy option for you to consider. The first filter you should buy is a UV filter. If you want to prolong the life of your lens and keep your glass as pristine as possible, a UV filter is going to be essential. It's a great habit to buy a UV filter at the same time you buy a new lens to make sure it's adequately protected from day one. Now you're left between a North Dakota filter and a polarizer. The answer to which you should buy first will depend on the type of photos you take. If you're interested in shooting landscapes, experimenting with long exposure photography, and want to gain a fine art look to your photos, a lightweight aluminum frame. But it's now twice as hard and twice as sharp as their award-winning HD2 filter. Yet, it also sports a high transparency polarizing film, which offers better light transmission than standard films and improved saturation and clarity. The result is that it's fully certified to work with 100MP cameras without any loss of resolution. Number 4, Gobe 77mm ND1000 10-stop North Dakota lens filter. The Gobe North Dakota filter is one of the most affordable on the market, without any lapse in quality. This filter doesn't have too harsh of a color cast, meaning there aren't any weird hues that occur in your photo when using this filter. It's a great starting North Dakota filter for any beginner photographer and is excellent to capture long exposures. This Tiffin North Dakota filters kit comes with 3 different filter densities. This is super handy if you like having options with how dark of a filter you're using. Best of all, you can stack them together to have an extremely heavy North Dakota filter. This filter kit does have a bit of notable color cast, but that's to be expected with most North Dakota filters out there. Luckily, this can be easily corrected with the white balance and hue sliders in post-processing. This clear filter with others for easy stacking, though a small percentage of users noticed a reduction in image quality compared to other filters, even those with a very expensive lens. Shielding your lens from dust, moisture, and abrasions, you'll have no worries bringing this scratch-resistant digital camera to any location, whether it's the desert, beach, lake or mountains. Number 5. Tiffen 58 UVP 58mm UV Protection Filter. This Tiffin UV Protector filter provides the UV reduction you need for less than $10, making it the perfect filter to protect your camera for those on a budget. ColorCore technology means every Tiffin UV filter is designed by laminating the filter between 2 layers of glass before being placed on low-profile metal rings for a sleek look that lasts. Designed to absorb UV light, the Tiffin filter helps you avoid glare, haze, and bluish hues in your daytime photos for better color and picture quality. And by delivering front element protection without adding other colors or contrast, you can layer this clear filter with others for easy stacking, though a small percentage of users noticed a reduction in image quality compared to other filters, even those with a very expensive lens. Shielding your lens from dust, moisture, and abrasions, you'll have no worries bringing this scratch-resistant digital camera to any location, whether it's the desert, beach, lake, or mountains. And because the Tiffin filter provides a shield of defense against damage from drops and breaks, some users choose this filter as a lens cap alternative. It's portable, you can find the filter you need for multiple cameras and like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.